Hey there guys, I got another padlock here for you. This is going to be a Sesamee. It's going to be the Sesamee 900 is the model number. And this is going to be part of their safety series. This is the same make and model that I sent to Bosnian Bill. And his did not have any security pins in it. I don't know why that is, because this one does. I'll have to continue on through the series to find out what's going on with that. There's a look at the keyway. It's very similar to the American. And the lock is working. There it is unlocked. Go ahead and lock them back up. Go ahead and show you guys a look at the key bitting. So there's the key bitting right there. And what's really nice about these keys is they give you a really big bow. They have a really big bow on the key, which makes it really nice for gripping the key. I like that. And to pick this lock, I'll be using my thick Peterson Prybar. I'll be using the one that's got the larger footprint. Be going to the top of the keyway for tensioning. Get that set up. And I'll try to show you guys false sets that I get, but it's kind of hard to do that on camera. But got the first pin, second pin it felt like. And I'm already getting a little tiny false set. There it is, picked open. That was really fast. That's the fastest I've done this lock. There it is, picked open. And yeah, I don't know why. Go ahead and close it up again. Try it again. That was really quick. I'm going to try to get it into a false set. I'm going to show you guys the counter rotation on my tension wrench here. So there's a little bit of a false set right there. Got another one set. Got another one set. Sometimes when I was picking this lock earlier, it would get into a false set that would be really hard to get out of. So, not doing it now. Okay, there's my false set right there. You can barely see it. It's real shallow. It's acting like it's got serrated pins in it and spool pins. Right there. Came out of a false set, back into another one. It may be really hard to see on camera. Right there's my counter rotation. And there it is, picked open again. So there it is, Sesamee. Like I said, I don't know why some of these are coming with security pins and why some of them have security pins and why some don't. But there it is, picked open again. Get that turned back and locked up. Like I said, there it is, Sesamee. And I'll keep going through the rest of this safety series here and see which ones have security pins and which ones don't. How I discovered it was when I first started picking it, I tried tensioning at the bottom. And I was just looking at the keyway. I was looking at that first pin. And you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but that first pin's got a serration on it. The bottom pin. I don't know why they do that. But once I seen that, I started to realize that this one's got security pins in it. But there it is, picked open. As always, guys, thank you for watching. And you guys have a good one.